So I mentally prepared myself that no one is going to help me, because if I seek help from a skilled worker who is professional in doing that and charging money for that, I'm sure that person will not help me definitely. If I want to take the YouTube video, for sure their presentations or demonstration may not be useful for me. So I struggled hard in this process, and I got some shape now. I didn't finish yet. I'm working on that. So now I was very clear on how to do masonry work, how to chip off the tiles, how to do the kind of plastering kind of work, how to do plumbing work, how to connect the pipes, UPVC pipes, CPVC pipes, what is the difference between them. And earlier it was so tough plumbing, now how it is so easy. I understood that. I discovered that actually for myself, because if you ask a professional person, they say, why unnecessary headache to you, sir? I think let us do our job. Why you take those headaches? The same is the case with carpenters, and I bought all the tools related to this. For that also, which tool to buy I didn't know. So I again started searching, interacting, asking shopkeepers. Even shopkeepers never cooperated. They used to simply say, you please ask your plumber, ask your carpenter, ask your electrician, they will tell you. So they also never helped me. You can understand how tough it was to even buy the tools, because which tool is required for what purpose I don't know. So what I used to do is, I used to start work and I wanted to do something. For that, what is the best tool? I used to do kind of ideation. Oh, that is the one which I used to get some idea what kind of a tool, but what that tool is called as, I don't know. For example, if you take a chiseler, I didn't know what is a chiseler, but when I was chipping off the walls, nobody told me that you have to do with a chiseler. But I understood that you need to have a sharp edged but very strong iron or metal tool with a force working on an electrical equipment kind of thing, mechanical equipment kind of thing. So when I asked in the shop, they used to drive me out of the shop, but I used to tell him, take the help of small attendants in the shop. They, sir, that is chiseler. That's an example. Like that, there are many tools which I required. I bought whatever is required, and I started my work. Now I wanted to show all my pieces of work in different departments. I hope it will be useful to you. The idea is to make everyone easy. These kind of skills in this technological world, we all can do it. The problem is labor. They are not available. They demand. Even they're available, they're not demanding. They don't listen to you. They do the work in their own way, which is standardized, which may not fit into your work. So my idea is to do some videos in different works, starting with my own washroom, which will be useful to you, which may be a small job, not bigger like what I have done. We are not building new homes. I just prepared. You may have some problem to fix it. These things could be useful where your own family members can do it. That is my idea. I hope you all will like this. Thank you for watching my video.